Today on Making with Moss and Marsh, I'm at a soon-to-be favorite island spot, the Seawolf Tybee. And our special guest is part owner Ricardo Ochoa, but he's more than that. He's also a local violinist with Velvet Caravan and the Savannah Philharmonic. So let's get crafting. Today you're going to need a smooth plank of wood, gel medium, a paintbrush, a spray bottle or wash rag, and Mod Podge. Hi Ricardo.
Hi Candace, how are you?
Great. Thank you so much for inviting us for a little sneak peek at Seawolf Tybee.
Yeah, thank you for being here. It's awesome.
It's beautiful, and I can't wait to make some decor for this already gorgeous spot.
Oh, cool.
Are you very crafty? Do you craft much or DIY?
I fix buildings and I do stuff like that, but I've always been intimidated by this stuff, so let's see what happens today.
So today we're going to be making wood photo prints. I love this process because it looks really finished and professional, and it's super easy. I've made it many times for wedding or engagement gifts. It's a great keepsake, or in this case, if you just want to make some really cool rustic decor. So to get started in this process, you're going to take gel medium and you're going to paint it evenly on your smooth, clean, and dry wood plank. All right, so let's get painting here. So Ricardo, you are much more than a restaurant owner. You're also a violinist, right?
I am. That's what I actually do.
Okay.
But I grew up playing violin, doing music, and I'm classically trained. So since I was a kid, my father was a musician too, so that's how I kind of got into it. So I've been with the Savannah Philharmonic since the beginnings, and with Velvet Caravan, it's been about 6-7 years now. That's my passion. That's what I love. And,
okay.
Yeah.
And now I've seen Velvet Caravan, and you guys are awesome, but you have a really unique style. Can you talk about the sound that the band has?
Yeah. So we're a gypsy band that combines kind of all of our styles. You know, like we do jazz, we do Latin music, we do a little bit of honky tonk, we do some southern. So it's based on the personality of the guys, and then have fun with it, because it's all about having fun with the audience, having fun with the music, and creating really, really fun grooves and stuff like that. So
That's great. For our photo prints today, we have a really fun Velvet Caravan photo. Can you talk about this funny photo that looks so cool?
Well, you picked one of my favorite pictures here. This is us in the water. We wanted to do something weird and different, but also that when we go on tour and we have to give pictures to the venues, something that kind of reflect the South,
yeah.
You know, and it was fun because the guys didn't know what to do. We all got in there and they were like, oh my God, what are we gonna do?
What else is in here with me,
Exactly.
right? That would have been my concern. All right, so we've got our photos, and they're already cut to size, so you can cut as much extra paper off as you want. You're just gonna gently, center the photo where you want it, and place it on from the center and push out like that. So once you've kind of made sure there aren't any air bubbles, the next step is you're going to take a book and you're just going to set it on top, and then you're going to let that dry overnight. Okay, so once you've let your piece sit overnight and it's all nice and dry, it's time to start rubbing that paper off. So you're going to take your spray bottle or wet rag, whichever, and you're just going to coat the paper with the water. And then you're going to gently start rubbing the paper off.
Oh, so the paper is coming off.
Yes, so the ink transfers into the gel medium, which is what's so cool. So these are going to look so cool in here. Can you tell us a little bit about the theme of Seawolf Tybee?
We're trying to do a North Atlantic theme.
Okay.
So we're in the southern part of the United States, but we want to go with a North Atlantic. Think about a bar or a restaurant or a tavern in in the north part of the U.S., Canada, maybe even go as far as Scandinavian area. So it's all about that area. The food is going to be definitely different in style. Very simple, but at the same time fun. We're going to do oysters and dogs, hot dogs. That's the basics of it. And of course, our cocktails are going to be craft cocktails. But our prices will be also be, you know, you can have a $2 beer here, but you can also have a you can have a $10 cocktail, you know.
Okay. And now we're ready for the final step. The final step is to just seal it, and we're going to use Mod Podge today. So grab your brush, and then you're just going to run over the image with it.
So what's the technique that you use for spreading this?
Just brushing it on. You're doing it.
Like
doing great.
Like you're painting a wall?
Yeah. What are some of the favorite things that your family likes to do in Savannah or on Tybee?
You know, like every Tybee person, it's kind of hard to leave the island once you're here, you know. Obviously the beach is a big thing, you know. Now that my girl is about to be a driver,
Oh my.
so that's one of the things that we've been doing lately is just driving around
Okay.
Tybee, which is it's fun. She's good. She's good.
So that is it. Now you just let it dry and you are all done, and you have this beautiful finished piece of art. So
So-
you can do a photo or artwork, and that's it. And these are ready to go and put
This
up.
is
We could put them
fun.
up on that pretty shelf there or on the wall. So Ricardo, you know I'm not letting you get out of here without playing us a song.
Oh, but I'm not prepared.
Oh, he's ready.
I'm gonna play a tango. So this is
Okay.
El Choclo. So it's a cute piece and it's fun. Yeah, I think it will be good.
All right, let's hear it. Can't
Okay.
wait. Awesome. Thank you guys for joining us on Making with Moss and Marsh. We'll see you next time.